Today I am testing Vision Scalper. Currency pair is Euro USD. Time duration is 1 year and period is H1. Spread is 5. Now open expert properties. I am using initial lot 0.01 and maximum active currency pairs 1. Initial deposit is 5000. Now click OK and start testing. Now open the Graph tab. Now open Report tab. Drawdown is 9.09% and net profit is 273.52. I am also sharing the EA and its set files. You can find the download link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching my video. If you found these trading tips and tutorials helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Remember, successful trading awaits you. So let's navigate the markets together. Happy trading.